Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at a vacuum cleaner that blends powerful suction, flexibility, and top-notch filtration into a lightweight design. Enter the Miele Duoflex, a cordless, bagless, multi-use stick vacuum that promises to deliver the high-performance Miele is known for, all while maintaining that sleek, modern look. Available in brilliant white, space gray, and Nordic blue, this vacuum isn't just about looks. It's designed for serious cleaning. Let's start with the basics. The Miele Duoflex features a digital efficiency motor that delivers remarkable suction power for its size, keeping it on par with some of the brand's best-known vacuums. With the ability to tackle everything from fine dust to embedded dirt, this vacuum shows that size doesn't always determine power. Whether you're dealing with stubborn pet hair, debris, or dust, the Duoflex has the muscle to get the job done. When it comes to cleaning surfaces, it shines with the Intelligent Multifloor Electrobrush. This is no ordinary brush. It's equipped with automatic power adjustment, which allows it to seamlessly glide between hard floors and carpets without you having to manually change settings. This is crucial for households with mixed floor types, as it ensures consistent suction across both surfaces. On hard floors, you'll notice it's especially good at picking up dust, crumbs, and larger debris, and it doesn't leave behind streaks or dirt trails. But it doesn't stop there. On carpets, the brush digs deep enough to lift embedded dirt and even stubborn pet hair, making it ideal for families with furry friends. The Duoflex is incredibly versatile, thanks to its lightweight design and flexible build. At just 6.9 pounds, it's easy to carry, maneuver, and use for extended cleaning sessions. This flexibility is one of its standout features. Whether you're trying to reach under the couch, between furniture, or even up to the top shelves, this vacuum can flatten itself down to get into those hard-to-reach places. You'll appreciate how effortlessly it moves and how it lets you clean with minimal effort in tricky spots. For those looking for a vacuum that adjusts to various needs, the Duoflex is a strong contender. Now onto the battery life. The Duoflex uses a lithium-ion battery that gives you up to 55 minutes of run time. That's plenty of time for a full house clean without having to recharge. Of course, this is for power level 1 without the Electrobrush attached. The LED indicator on the vacuum keeps you informed about the battery status, so you won't be caught off guard when the charge runs low. While it's great for smaller homes or apartments, if you have a larger space or tend to do heavy-duty cleaning, you might need to plan for some recharge time midway through. Still, for most daily cleaning tasks, the 55 minutes should be more than enough. One of the most impressive aspects of the Duoflex is its filtration system. It comes with a hygiene filter that offers an outstanding 99.99% filtration rate, capturing even the finest particles and allergens. This makes it an excellent choice for those with allergies, ensuring that your home stays not only clean, but also healthy. The filter keeps dust and allergens locked in, preventing them from being released back into the air, which is particularly important for people with asthma or other respiratory sensitivities. In terms of attachments, the Duoflex doesn't disappoint. Included is the Multifloor Electrobrush, which automatically adjusts its power for optimal cleaning across different floor types. Additionally, the vacuum comes with a range of accessories that help with tasks like cleaning stairs, upholstery, and even car interiors. These tools add to the vacuum's versatility, making it a more comprehensive cleaning solution for a variety of messes. When we talk about ease of use, the Duoflex stands out. It's light enough to carry around without strain, and the ergonomics make it comfortable to hold for longer cleaning sessions. The wand is designed for easy reach, and the whole unit feels intuitively balanced. On the downside, some users might find the dustbin a bit small, requiring more frequent emptying than larger models. While the vacuum is easy to maintain, the small bin size could be a bit of a hassle if you're cleaning large areas, especially if you have pets or children creating more mess than usual. The noise level is another consideration. While it's not the quietest vacuum on the market, it's not excessively loud either. The Duoflex falls in a middle ground when it comes to sound, so you won't find yourself scrambling for ear protection. But don't expect it to whisper as it works either. In terms of value for money, the Miele Duoflex is positioned as a premium offering, and for good reason. It delivers on most fronts, offering powerful suction, versatile attachments, and excellent filtration. However, it comes at a premium price, which may not be justified for everyone. If you're someone who prioritizes high-end filtration, long runtime, and ease of use, it could be worth the investment. But if you have more basic cleaning needs or are on a budget, there are comparable models that might do the job for a fraction of the cost. Speaking of alternatives, there are a few other stick vacuums in the same category that might catch your eye. The Dyson V8, for example, offers similar suction power and runtime, with the added bonus of being a bit lighter. On the other hand, the Shark Vertex Pro is another competitor in the same price range, delivering strong suction and more versatility with attachments. While both models are solid alternatives, they each have their own trade-offs. The Dyson V8 is pricier and can have lower battery life with higher power modes, while the Shark model is heavier but offers great suction for pet owners. Looking at build quality, the Duoflex feels robust and solid, with high-quality plastics that don't feel flimsy. The joints and wand connections are sturdy, ensuring long-term durability with proper care. Maintenance is straightforward, with easy-to-clean filters and brush rolls that can be removed without hassle. As for longevity, while it's too early to provide any concrete long-term data, Miele's reputation for durable appliances suggests this vacuum should hold up well with routine maintenance. In terms of customer support, Miele is known for solid after-sales service. While I haven't needed to use it personally, the brand has a strong reputation for responding quickly to inquiries and resolving issues effectively. Their warranty policies also provide peace of mind for new owners. To wrap things up, the Miele Duoflex is a fantastic vacuum for those looking for a high-performance, flexible, and efficient cleaning tool. It's particularly well-suited for households with a mix of floor types, allergy sufferers, and anyone who values ease of use and powerful suction. While it comes with a premium price tag, it delivers on its promises with impressive cleaning performance, versatility, and filtration. If you can justify the cost, it's definitely a worthy investment for keeping your home spotless. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our next in-depth review. Got questions or already using the Miele Duoflex? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, we'll see you next time on Reviewsinside TV, where we're cleaning up the competition.